There is nothing more awesome than eating a fish fry with a simple rasam. In the rasam, we are not adding tamarind juice, but we are going to add tomatoes so that it's not that sour. Whereas the fish, we are going to give some sourness by adding dry mango powder, that is Aamchur powder. To make this fish fry, we are going to add chili powder, coriander powder, that is the most important thing, and Aamchur powder. Aamchur powder you can add a little extra also. In this, to give that extra punch, we are going to add some crushed pepper, curry leaf, turmeric, some green chili. The curry leaf and the green chili has to be finely chopped. Add a little bit of garam masala, very little, and we are going to add some vinegar. You can add lemon juice, but this vinegar is very mild, so I added a little extra. Otherwise, just add a required quantity, because a lot of Indians don't like vinegar in their fish fry, but adding little will really enhance the flavor. Add a little bit of corn flour or all-purpose flour, maida. In this, add salt. Make a paste out of this, and then we'll apply to the fish. If the moisture is not enough, you can add some water and make a paste out of this. Some moisture will come from the fish pieces, but this one, when you eat, it has to be slightly salty. Only then your fish will be tasty. Here I have got a variety of fish pieces from 3 different fishes, like the way I have done my fish curry yesterday. So apply the masala. Fish you don't need to marinate for a long time like chicken or mutton, but 1 hour of marinating of the fish, especially with lime juice and vinegar, will enhance the taste really good. You can also add ginger garlic paste. If you want the fish pieces to be tasty to the bone, marinate it and leave it aside for 1 hour, then cook it on a pan, shallow fry. This will be super tasty. If you want to make this as a deep fry, add little more of corn flour and you will be able to deep fry without any of the masala coming out. Fish is marinated. Let's make quick fix rasam, which I love to do it this way. Just take some chopped onion, put in a blender, green chili and some tomatoes. Blend this, and then I'm going to show you how to make rasam. Tempering for the quick fix rasam, I'm actually using some ghee and red chili, mustard. Only when the mustard seeds crackle, add cumin. In this, add curry leaf. This is when the aroma is boomba boomba. A little bit of turmeric and onion and tomato paste. Let this cook for like a minute. The raw flavor from the onion has to go. Add some salt. Add rasam powder. Some chili powder, only if you like it a little spicy. Now, to this, add water. Bring this to a boil. Here is some dal, which is cooked to a mashy consistency. You can use tuar dal, moong dal, urad dal, whichever dal you want. And by each dal, there will be a special aroma of your rasam. Once this comes to a full boil, we are going to add the dal water. Bring this to a boil. Look at this. It's going to be a very tasty rasam, nice flavored, and just adjust the seasoning. If you want to add chopped coriander, do it and you will have a perfect rasam. Another 3 minutes of boiling, this will be perfect. Add a little bit of jaggery, that will enhance the taste. So in another 3-4 minutes of simmering, this is going to be perfect companion rasam for fish fry. Fish fry, just make sure, put the oil in circles. Fun. Now take the bigger pieces and arrange them the way you like. This is slightly bigger piece, so it goes in the center. So usually when it is fish fry, I eat little extra pieces, but this is for me and Power Chef Pranav. So both of us, we're going to enjoy this fish fry. Now put the lid on and let it cook on a medium flame so that you cook this fish really perfect. If I was cooking this on a big grill, I would add the oil into the marination of the fish. But because it is a small pan, I'm not doing that. So now, very carefully, shift to the other side. This is perfectly done. The fish should be colored this much and also cooked well. You may want to add a little more oil. Put the lid on and on the medium flame. Add some onion, switch off the flame and squeeze in some lemon juice and ready to serve. Rasam, you have to kind of drink it. Wow. And along with this, eat the fish fry, take the fish piece. The fish is nice and juicy and super perfect. The masalas are just mind-blowing. With this rasam and this fish, it's just out of the world. But there is a way to eat this. I have to sit full bowl of rasam with a lot more rice and fish. Both of this is absolutely boomba boomba. In the anticipation of great food, I'm already sweating. Friends, make it, eat it, and just say boomba boomba while you enjoy it.